What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about how to generate videos and images using AI and the most effective and quickest way to earn money with those AI videos and Chat GPT. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you everything you need to get started today. But before we get started, I want to invite you to watch my free masterclass, 80 minutes of free training, step by step. Just click the link in the description and top comment below. Sign up. It's a completely free community, exactly what it takes to start earning money with AI. And let's get into the topic for today. Topic is generating videos and images using AI. Now, the tool that I've been using is, there we go, DupDub. This tool is amazing. It has pretty much everything you would need. Let's go ahead and sign in. Now, if you were to go back to the video before this, this is the tool that I use to make the AI talking voiceover. But here we have AI. This is what I used: AI voice, cloning, images, writing, everything that you would need. But now let's go step by step of what you would do to start making money. First thing is find some type of product or AI tool that you want to promote and make a video about. I give you 130 plus tools that I use and promote. Digital Playbook, it'll be in the first link in the description. All these tools, Opus Clip, Pictory, anything from social media tools, you can grab this checklist and promote as well. So pick whichever one. Let's just say, let's go with a writing one. Scale Nut, Outranking, AI Writer, Neuron Writer. We'll go with Neuron Writer. So first thing you would do is, let's go to AI Writing. And this tool is going to create a transcript or a script to give us a video idea. YouTube, TikTok, we'll go with TikTok, video script. Write a TikTok video about Neuron Writer, which is a what? You see that didn't work. So what I did is I just typed in Neuron Writer, typed the URL, and now let's see if it's going to create a script for us. And that didn't work. 1 second. All right, I fixed it. So you would enter in, write me a video script about Neuron Writer, and this is what, you know what, I'm just going to show you guys. All right, gosh damn it, I'm redoing it. All right, so we clicked AI Writing, and now we click New File. Ask AI to write anything. So we want AI to create a video script for a topic like Neuron Writer. Voila. Gives us a script. We have this. Now, what you can do, I'll give you one idea, is, so we go back. So once you have the script, I would go to Pictory. I like using Pictory because it allows you to take the script and make it into like a short form video format. Now, DupDub is really good at more like the AI voice and voice to text. But if you're trying to make a lot of quick videos for social media just to get out content, boom, this is the app. So what you would go to script a video, highlight all this, and then you're not gonna click. You wouldn't click proceed. You gotta fix everything. So neuron, writer video. Um, so you gotta take everything out. I'll try to speed this up if I know what I'm doing, but my video creation editing skills are still at the beginning, as you can see. And obviously, I didn't even like look over this um, script. It's already looking too long. It includes a built-in pleasure check. Okay, honestly, this is good enough for this example. Proceed. Yeah, Pick3 has a 14-day free trial. So so get that. And then when you upgrade, I think it's only $15 a month. Then what you would do is you would go up here, portrait. Um, I like to move this up here. Um, styles shows different styles of text. I like this one. I actually can't my recording things right there, so I forget what this one is. Oh, that's probably this text. So you have this. It doesn't import a voiceover. So what you're gonna need to do is go down here. You can where it says preview, CC, apply AI voiceover. Um, so these are the premium ones. These are from 11 Labs. These sound really good, but the standard ones, they just sound as good. They're just not as crispy. I recorded a voiceover, but I don't know where it is. So let's just go with Scott. Let's go, Scott. Generating voiceover. And then Give it some time. I'm gonna pause because all right, it was applied, and then when I changed my text style, you wanna go up here and hit apply all, and then you'll see down here, it's gonna apply it all to all these different scenes. So now we're essentially done. So what we would do is we would download it and start uploading it, but let's see what it looks like. I'm about to pause this too. Obviously, the Getty Images things, that's not gonna be there when you download it. Accidentally pause it. So when you see that, yeah, it's pretty basic. But the whole point is this is for beginners who want to get into it and start generating some online income now. And it literally took 12 minutes is what I've been recording so far to make this. And you have this. And then once you just keep going back to DupDub, making scripts, making videos, then you would want to get a tool like Go High Level. If you're haven't heard of Go High Level and you're in this AI space, which I doubt it, but this tool is great. I use this for my home service business, and it is just game changer because it literally has everything in one as far as like CRM, automations, blogs. But right here, the social planner, this is what you need. So you can literally plan out content for months to months and months. And I don't know why it's being slow. November, there you go. So what you would do, social planner? No. So this, I have like a community website for businesses in Indiana and not really doing a good job of focusing on creating content for that. I just post memes. But you would essentially, if you're starting out, just focus on create a TikTok account and a YouTube account. Connect those. And then let's go to calendar view. And then it's gonna I was just in the calendar view. I don't know why it's taking so long to load. But then essentially you would just schedule out a bunch of videos for months and months and months. And I hear a lot of things too where like for like TikTok, for example, um, I don't have 10,000 or 1,000 followers to be able to put a link in my bio. You don't really need to put a link in your bio. You just need to tell tell them to go somewhere. So for me, I tell them to go to www.digitalplaybook.com, and that gets them the checklist. For you, you could tell them to go to like right on the screen, like right here. Tell them to go to www.neuronwriter.com. Now, would telling them to go to the direct website be the best? No. You essentially, we want to build some type of opt-in page where you get their email and then you send them to your affiliate link. Um, but that's super simple to start getting started in creating and generating videos with AI. Um, Next video I'm going to be making is going to be talking about how to do like higher quality videos like these. These do work though, and if you're wanting to get your first affiliate marketing sale, highly suggest doing this. So, any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comments below. If you want to reach me, best place would be just joining the free community and DMing me. I'm in there. So see you in the next video.